This man is in my house before I'm in my house. This. I'm scared. What's up, bitch? Hey, man.
What's up?
Why are you in my house before I'm in my house?
All right, let's go.
You couldn't wait like
let's go.
30 seconds,
The
dude?
boy is here. The boy is here.
I need you. Sasuke. Oh, I forgot to. Oh. I forgot to paper towel.
Are you serious, dude? It's just staring at me.
Where?
Look at. It's been chilling up there the whole time. Bro, I literally drove here for.
Oh God! I don't like that. These are shooting nice.
It's a brown recluse.
Nice jacket.
Thank you.
It's a brown recluse, man.
Hey!
Oh.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh, he's so close. He's just gonna hide once I go for him. What? Look, you see him? You see that
Ah,
Here.
that's literally so nasty.
Can you get him?
No, you get him.
Austin, you're the man. Austin, you're the farmer boy.
My ass up.
Dude, he's gonna fall. I'm gonna go like this and he's gonna... I've done this before. They go like this, they go, and they fall, and then I freak out.
No.
Hit a flash.
Oh no! Did it really fall? Did your face get fatter?
Obviously, we're aging. We're all getting fatter.
No.
Yeah, I've gotten a lot skinnier actually. I don't eat anymore.
So sad.
I'm in Coochie Land. Do you know the Coochie Man? I'm in Coochie Land.
Remember in high school when you wore those to school? When you wore those to school and you go, no, look, it's wieners. I got wieners.
Wait, whoa. I know wieners. You got pineapples?
Come on.
I have the cheesiest socks in the world.
Find refuge in the sea.
My mom bought them for me. I wear these while I surf.
What?
Hey guys. It's a log kind of day today. We're taking all the logs.
Oh, my hair is so naughty.
6, 7, and 8 foot. Catch Surf needs to sponsor us.
Bro, for real.
Dude.
We're in a predicament.
What?
They took my car that has the board thing on it. Going to Tamarack today. But we don't have the surf racks for the car. So this is going to be really interesting on how we're supposed to do this. Is this the surfer grub?
What?
Is this the surfer grub for the day?
Surfer grip?
Grub?
Oh, yeah, it is. This is my oatmeal.
This is my oatmeal. Nice jacket, man.
Hi.
So we gotta get 3 of these inside there with no straps.
Along with 5 people.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Hi.
I'm on.
Sydney got
If you would have brought the stinking things.
I do have them. Oh!
What? This is your car.
Look down.
Christine Longnecker.
Oh yeah, I did.
Christine Longnecker, if you're watching this vlog, I miss you so much. I put this 8-seater on. What? Just get in the car.
Why isn't it working?
Yes, sir.
These are dated by roasting.
Can I get a grande cold brew?
what I texted you earlier.
Grande peppermint mocha. Grande caramel macchiato. Do you wanna
Go.
Oh.
Go outside.
Like the ocean, yeah. Moving fast with the motions, yeah. Got me feeling emotions, yeah. Got me feeling emotions.
We're here. 7-0. 6-0.
Nolo.
Dolo.
It's gonna be freezing cold.
Cindy's gonna be our
Big gross.
videographer for today. 58 degrees in the water.
I'm wearing this.
We just found this homeless guy on the beach, just knocked out. Are you okay, dude?
Hey man, bro, are you?
Where am I?
Yeah. The system outdated, outrageous. Mama, forgive me, creators, patience. I know that the paper is coming. Just notice I'm running, I'm sprinting, I'm aiming for fences. Just look at my pockets, the thickness on fitness. Imagine the diamonds are rich as the bitches. She want me to hit it in different positions. I want it, so might as well go on and get it. She fucking, I might as well go on and hit it. After I'm done, just forget that I did it. I don't wanna talk, just listen. Go ahead and love me from a distance if it ain't broke.
Today we're watching the guys surf, but there's no waves.
You want to know?
How are the waves?
They're all over the place.
I fell in a hole. Started cramping up, dude. I was like, fuck.
How was it?
Terrible. I mean, it was pretty cool.
Pretty bad.
No. Yeah?
It was pretty bad. Gay. Gay. Super gay.
Super gay.
It's my girl.
You think there's crabs?
Maybe.
Where are the crabs?
I'll do anything to get in this car with you.
I just want to talk to you.